Hey singers, it's your girl RJ, and today I'm breaking down how to make your voice stable. No shaking, no wobbling, no going off key, just smooth, confident singing. Let's go! Most singers, they breathe, but they don't know how to control breath. Now, a stable voice needs steady air, not scattered air. Now try this. Inhale low and exhale with a steady Now if your voice shakes while you do that then that means your voice will also shake when you sing. Now fix your airflow immediately and your voice will stop shaking. Practice that steadily till you get it. Voice stability is also a body thing. Now, if your body is weak, your voice will also be weak. But if your body is trained, strong, your voice will also be strong. Do a 10-second plank. Then 6 slow breaths while holding your belly fin. What this does is it trains your support. A shaky voice means that your vocal cords are not fully meeting. Now this is what you're gonna do. Say gi, 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 gi. This brings your chords together cleanly and gives you a stable tone. A stable voice sits on stable notes. So pick one note from the piano and hum it for 5 seconds without drifting. If it wavers, hum again, but this time place one finger on your chest. Now this helps your brain feel the vibration and stay locked. Some people start a song strong but end weakly. Why? This is because your voice is tired. Now in order to build stability, do this. Now sing 5 minutes of gentle humming. Then next, sing light scales. Then before you go into the main song. Now do not try starting a song with your full singing power. No, don't do that. You start small and then while the song is getting more interesting, you open up your full singing power, making it beautiful. Tension is a killer of stability. Now do this before singing. Drop your jaw, shake your tongue out, and then yawn and sigh. Yawn and sigh. Now when you release the tension in your throat, your voice becomes stable. Singers mistake a shaky voice for vibrato gone wrong. Now try this. Sing a straight note for 3 seconds, no vibrato. Then slowly add vibrato for about 2 seconds. This trains control, and control equals stability. Now record a note on ah for about 3 to 5 seconds. Now if the pitch drifts up and down, then that means your support is leaking. So this is what you are gonna do. You're gonna try again, but this time your support should be from your belly. Now place your hands on your belly and try again. Make sure it is steady and stable. Voice stability isn't magic. It is breath control, support, pitch discipline, muscle training. So do this for about 7 to 14 days and then notice how your voice becomes stable. To the next video, bye!